Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial on Myria Nodes, the backbone of the Myria Web3 gaming ecosystem. In this video, we will explore what Myria Nodes are, their value and how you can set up and buy a node. First, let's talk about what Myria Nodes are. In simple terms, Myria Nodes are servers that run on the Myria network. They help power the network and enable it to handle a large volume of transactions quickly and efficiently. Now let's talk about the value of Myria nodes, the real value. By running a Myria node, you become an integral part of Myria ecosystem, helping to keep the network secure and stable. And in return, you will receive rewards in the form of Myria token, which you can use to purchase in-game assets or swap for other cryptocurrencies. So how do you set up and buy a Myria node? It's actually quite simple. All you need is a computer with at least 4 GB of RAM, 2 physical CPU cores, 60 GB of hard disk space and stable internet connection. That's it guys. You will also need to download the Myria node software from Myria website. Once you're downloaded and installed the software, you can start running your Myria node. You will need to run your node at least 6 hours a day to earn Myria reward. And remember, reward accumulate for long as your node is operational. So it's recommended to keep your node running permanently to maximize your daily profit. And that's it guys, you are now part of the Myria ecosystem and can start earning rewards by running a Myria node. In conclusion, Myria nodes are a critical part of the Myria Web3 gaming ecosystem, enabling it to scale and handle a large volume of transactions. By running a node, you become an integral part of the network and can start reward in the form of Myria token. So what are you waiting for? Start running your node today. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon.